Alright guys, you are welcome. This is the long anticipated platform, any platform, ENCORA Global. This was not just yesterday 2 p.m. ENCORA, if you know Coastal Farm, their website use for least is 4 months, 6 months, okay? That is what their investment platform, okay? It is a big money platform. So in a few minutes, I just want to take you through the peripherals of this platform, the details of this platform. It's very easy. All right. So once you click on the link to register, okay. Once you click on the link to register, the registration will take you to this pattern. Let me show you where it will take you to. So this is the registration interface, okay. So when you are supplying a number, supply a number with, can you see, 234. Remove the first zero. Make sure this invitation code is inside. Make sure this invitation code is there, okay. Now when you are setting your password, make sure your password possess capital letter. You can start with capital letter. Make sure there's number is inside, and make sure it is more than 8. Everything is more than 8, okay. So once you have done that, you just click on this confirm button, and boom, you are going to, make you do that, boom, you are going to enter your account. Immediately you enter your account, this is how your account will be, okay. Immediately you enter it. So immediately you enter your account, this is how it will be. This is how your account will show. You read this thing, okay, and make sure you join their WhatsApp group. I'm sure the second WhatsApp group should be free by now. They will have opened the third one, okay, to show you that this is active. They have WhatsApp group where you can communicate with the admin directly, okay. So all you need to do here, you can read through, okay, check their sliding, read through it, okay. If you want to deposit, you click on deposit here, you click on deposit, okay. The least you can deposit is 5,200 naira. That's it, the least you can deposit. You can also deposit in Tron. You can also deposit in Tron. You have the capacity in Tron, okay. So once you click on deposit, it's very easy. Deposit your money ASAP, okay. I see 5 2 10 8. All right, the pattern to their daily payment have been explained and been dropped on the group. Make sure you join the group for more. So you click on 5 2, you proceed to your payment, confirm it, okay. When you are making payment, make sure you read the instruction. That is the mistake some of us used to make. You can send to Kuda account, you can send to mobile money, okay. If you are in Ghana, I see that it is a global investment pattern, not a local champion things, okay. So if you are in Nigeria, you choose this. If you are in Ghana, you choose this. If you are in Cameroon, this is for you, okay. If you want to pay in Tron, and I said you can pay in Tron, all right. If you have Tron in your wallet, you can pay in Tron, equivalent to 5,200. I think that should be around 5 to 7 Tron, okay. So immediately you have deposit your money, deposit immediately. Make sure you upload your receipt. Upload your receipt, please. Save your receipt, upload it, submit payment. In 1 2 3 minutes, they will approve your payment. So once they approve your payment, you just come to your package, come to package. So once you get to package, just pick any plan. Can you see all those plan? Can you see plan? Okay. And the way this plan works, okay, can you see that daily fortune is around 1.11 trillion or 1.18 trillion? That's around 240 something naira. All right. So I'll show you the chart. That's around 240 something naira. So it varies. So your plan, your income gets to you in 24 hours. How do you do that? There's a spin box. If you register 8 o'clock today, 8 o'clock tomorrow, a spin rolling spin will appear to you. You click on that rolling spin, your daily money will arrive. Can you see? The highest you can invest is 300,000 naira and be getting up to this money level, okay. So you just buy it by your screen. Once you have deposit, just click on buy now. Once your money has reflected, you can build your team. There's a lot of money you can win when you are building your team. Build your team, okay. 10% on level 1, I think 5% on level 2, 1% on level 3. Build your team, okay. Come to your asset, you're going to see how much you have. there's a gift and claim section. Okay, my bank. Now this banking, by today they will be uploading other online banking as of yesterday. Okay, these are the available bank as of yesterday. These are the available bank. Okay, so you have made complaint that they are going to include other banking system today. Okay, so make sure you select your bank, set your bank, gift reward. Make sure you join that group. They'll be dropping some gift reward. All right, transaction log. Okay, I started yesterday. Okay, I've converted my money. I've placed withdrawal on this account. Okay, and it drop immediately. Income log. Yes, as income, fortune income is your income or your investment. Okay, my investor has not used 24 hours to show you that I just started. Okay, guys, so this is my team income. Okay, this is our team income. You know, they are paying in Tron. Okay, I will show you how to convert it from Tron. Now you go to swap the amount of Tron, any Tron you have. My balance Tron is 3 Tron. Okay, minimum Tron you can convert is 5 Tron. 5 Tron should be around that okay, 5,000. I don't know. Okay, so you just press the amount of your Tron balance will show here. Your Tron balance will show here. Okay, so you convert it to naira. You want to convert it to convert available for withdrawal. And if you want to withdraw in Tron, no problem. You can withdraw also in Tron. All right, so that's how to convert. And sometimes they convert for us easily. Okay, and you can place your withdrawal so easily. You want to place withdrawal get time, please. Withdrawal get time. Withdrawal get time. Okay, I'll show you the timing for withdrawal also. Okay, let me go to my Telegram channel, my WhatsApp channel, and show you some of their timing. Let me show you some of their timing. So check this out. Check this timing out. Let's see this timing. Can you see? For 5 to you are going to enter 67. It varies. So this is their withdrawal timing, please. This is their withdrawal timing. All right. Morning session 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, evening session 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Please follow their withdrawal time. The minimum withdrawal is 1,200. It arrives within 0 to 48 hours. Okay, so once you register, they are going to follow this part. This is their pattern. This is their pattern. This is their pattern of payments you can make. Okay, can you see 1 Tron is 240 naira. 1 Tron, if you are paying in Tron, is 240 naira. So calculate that. So that is how we are making the money. It's a new site that I can guarantee you. Immediately it launched yesterday. I've been less than 10,000 naira yesterday. Okay, that's his 12 hours. Okay, so you can join their Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp. Okay, change password account. All right, so immediately you have registered, please, and you have deposit, message me. There's a VIP link I'm going to give to you, only you. So let's make more money, guys. See you in my next video.